This is the world's smallest FPV car. If you don't know what FPV means, there's a camera on this car and it lets you wear goggles like these or this big monitor to make it feel like you're actually driving in this tiny car. So for our setup, I'm actually going to use this big monitor so I can see to drive really well, and then I can see exactly what the car is doing while it's driving. But we're using these goggles to record so you guys can see a live view of what the car is seeing. I'm gonna make sure it drives good first and just try to drive it without looking at the camera, so you guys can actually see what the camera is doing while I'm driving it like this. It is very touchy as far as the throttle goes. It's not quite like that little yellow one that we just drove recently on the channel. When I let off the steering, it speeds up, and when I give it steering, it slows down automatically. So that's something to think about when you're driving it like this. But now I'm going to actually look down at my camera after I line the cones back up. I'm going to get back to the end.
Yeah, the cones are a little crooked.
And I'm going to try to drive it just with the FPV and see what that's like. So slow and steady is the way to go when I'm just driving it with FPV.
No speed modes on this?
This has a burst mode actually, so yeah, you can bind it back up and it will, it's called burst mode. I think it's just a higher throttle mode. Right now it's in beginner mode. So we will do burst mode in just a minute. Oh. I think we're gonna need burst mode if we're gonna stand any chance of ramping, but I'll try it again. So let's set up here and I'm just gonna drive with FPV, which is actually really fun. It's working really well. Oops. Just not enough speed or power to clear the ramp. But this is really good. Abby, let's go on a little adventure, yeah? Yes. Try to drive this around through the legs of the chairs and all that.
People are gonna wanna know what the range is.
Okay, I'm just driving it. This is carpet. It's doing pretty good. This is like the world's best little spy cam. You know, everybody's always dreamed of watching these movies on Disney where the camera drives around and spies on people. But in this case, it's real. It wasn't, I don't know. There was a movie, Abby, that I watched on the Disney Channel that, what was that called? It was like The Millionaire Kid or something?
There's a Home Alone, one of the newer Home Alones.
No,
they do that.
It was an old movie. And remember,
it was an older Home Alone.
Remember at the end of the movie, the kid kissed the adult woman?
Oh yeah, that was pretty cringy. It's like Richie Rich or something.
That's it, Richie Rich. And in that movie, he has an RC car that he drives FPV, but it's got like a camcorder strap to it. FPV didn't exist then. And this is an actual reality where you can just drive around. Look, I saw there's an ink pen. That's awesome. That's from our yellow car video. Okay, let's put it back into burst mode and see if we can hit the ramps. I did some reading. In burst mode, all it does is when you're in it, it lowers the throttle to 60% while you're turning. It does feel like I'm in that mode right now. So if you push and hold the button on the side of the radio, it blinks, and then that should be in burst mode. So I think we're going a bit faster on the curves, but it's not giving us any more speed on the straight stretches. I'm going to try to ramp. Here we go. Oh, it was much better. For some reason, that was better. That's cool. Whoa. Oh. No, nice.
Here's a question. Do you think the signal is laggy or is it pretty good?
Oh, no, there's no lag in the signal, and that's because
good.
it's 5.8 gigahertz. There's no Wi-Fi about this. You don't need a phone, you don't need a router, you don't need a modem, none of that. This just works completely on its own. Now, they sell a version of this with goggles that comes with it. So if you don't have goggles, you can go this route, or you can get the one that comes with the goggles. We chose to use our own setup and save like $40 or $50. Okay, let's go for one triple ramp. Abby, do you think I can do it?
Yes.
And the car do it. Yow!
Right in the crack. Here, let me set that up better. Okay.
You know, this will sound kind of weird, but I actually think it's easier to drive FPV than it is line of sight.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I really do. Oh,
that big ramp. It's struggling with it.
Now, those ramps that I'm using to ramp actually came with a small yellow car that we did on the channel very recently. If this sounds like something and looks like something that you think you would have a blast with, I highly encourage you to check it out because it's very good ready to run setup. It just works, right? You just charge it and it works really well with the included little USB charge cable. This thing is super unique and it's just fun to drive FPV. Abby and I, we've had small FPV vehicles before, but never anything this small. This is definitely the world's smallest ready to run FPV car, and it's extremely awesome. Guys, it'll be linked in the description box below if you want to check it out for yourself. Look at that. There is no lag or delay on that at all. It's 5.8 gigahertz, which is just absolutely amazing. It's been a while since we've done any drones that are 5.8 gigahertz, but on this rainy day, we just couldn't help ourselves. We had to get something like this out to enjoy some RC fun. And for that, I thank the big guy upstairs. Also, a massive thanks to our Patreon supporters because we couldn't do our channel without you guys. You really mean the world to us. When's the last time we did a video where we're just sitting down on a chair and table and just having some fun in here? This was a blast. I had a really good time. If you want to see more RC micro car fun, we'll have a video for you popping up right about now. Thanks for watching. We'll see you there.
Bye!